Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 10.2 homework, part 1 for pre-algebra math today, and you got 72 points here. That is on your homework sheet. Have that out. Students, put your name, date, period, due date here for my onliners, homeschoolers, page 1 of your homework, and this is a word problem here. So where you have to write, how are a trapezoid and a parallelogram different from each other? Number 1, then down here 2, 3, and 4. Tell whether the figure is a polygon. If it is, classify it. Tell whether it is convex or concave. And if not, explain why. Okay? So explain why it's not convex or concave. 10 points here for page 1. Page 2. Use this figure here for your homework here for 5 and 6. Classify the quadrilateral. Find the value of y. And then down here 7 and 8. Tell whether the figure is a polygon. If it is a polygon, classify it. Tell whether it is convex or concave. If not, explain why. So explain down here. You got 12 points here for page 2. Page 3, continue from the previous page 2 for this figure here. And then for number 10 here, we got error analysis. And so sketch and classify the quadrilateral. Describe and correct the error here. The figure is a square in solving the following problem. So work that through and explain what you did, how this is incorrect. And down here for number 11, classify this quadrilateral. You got 8 points here, page 3. Page 4, classify these quadrilaterals here in these spaces. And then for this bunch down here, copy and complete the statement using always, sometimes, or never. A square is blank, a rectangle, blah, blah, blah. So fill it in here using these. What are these? These are adverbs. Always, sometimes, or never. So you got 12 points here, page 4. Page 5, find the value of x in each one of these situations here. Then 21, you got a word problem here. It has 4 faces. Each face is a rectangular octagon. The perimeter of one octagon face is approximately 133 feet. So we continue here. A, calculate, find the length of one side of the octagon. Visual thinking, find the area of one of the clocks by dividing one of the octagons into 8 congruent triangles. Sketch a regular octagon and show how to divide it into 8 congruent triangles. Do that here. Then C, what additional information would you need in part B to find the area of the clock face? Assume that you had this information. What would your next steps be? So down here, explain how you would find the area of the clock face by using triangles. So I just gave away the answer there. So 9 points, page 6. Page 7, you got trapezoid here, you got measures here. Write and solve an equation and find the value of x. And then 23, a kite is a special type of quadrilateral. 2 pairs of sides are congruent, and that would be these 2 here, these 2 up here. Exactly 1 pair of opposite angles are congruent, so there and there. In kite ABCD, the measure of angle A is twice the measure of angle C, and B has a measure of 114. Find the measure of angle of these angles here. So with that given premise, find the measures of these angles here. This is 12 points for page 7, and that is 10.2 homework part 1 pre-algebra math. Animated PowerPoint math video at AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.